Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So this video, or this unit, was featured in another video where the roof membrane had actually blew back off the coach. It parachuted up so bad that it actually tore it on the AC as well as wrinkled it and yanked it clear back. You can see that in the previous video on this unit. This is a Grand Design Solitude. It's a 2022 actually. It also had tree branch damage on the back side of it. For whatever reason, and it seems to be something new that's going on that hadn't been. This is a Progressive Insurance, and we've done Progressive Insurance since clear back in 2003. And so we know all our reps pretty well that come in here to inspect stuff. And for whatever reason, I don't know if it has to do with the fires or all the stuff going on in California, but we're finding that some of the insurance companies are no longer selling insurance to you unless you've already had a prior unit with them. We're also finding that they're starting to decline the roofs. So this particular unit, they declined the roof replacement for the wind damage, which it clearly blew open through wind that come through the underneath pin box and through the sides through a windstorm that they were in. They tried to say that it was lack of maintenance, and we proved to them, no, it was not. Then also they came back a second time because we said, well, hey, if you don't want to cover it that way, we've got tree damage. And so their thing was, oh no, we'll pay for you to put some patch tape down on there, some Turnabond tape on the roof where the tree branch is, so you can only see so many of those little penetrations. So us nor the customer elected to want to go ahead and do that. Basically, the end result is the owner's paying for it out of pocket, and he's going to plan on taking the insurance company to small claims court. So you can't do that. When the inspector was here, he not only told us, but he also told the owner on a different occasion that the last two people that took them to court for the same issue, one for a tree damaged and one for a roof that blew open, that they went ahead and the judge cited in the consumer's favor. So this is something again new that we haven't came across with these insurance companies. So they're kind of tightening down and not wanting to, if you tear the roof, they're wanting to just patch it instead of replacing it. So that's, to us it's kind of crazy, but I don't know. We'll see how this goes. And it's not just with Progressive. It's also with State Farm. One of our customers is a State Farm agent. And I just recently contacted them to say, hey, we want to check into getting on your direct repair facility center. And so that they would just send us more units instead of just trickling in on their own. The claims rep said the same thing. He said, hey, we're no longer covering RVs in California unless they're a prior owner. And he said that there's a lot of things in the background going on for changing. So anyways, stay tuned for more. I'll get up there and get some more videos. The guys are taking picture. Again, our shop's got about 60-something cameras. So there's actually cameras up in our roofs and up on the walls that's actually taking footage while they're working on it. Sometimes when we get time, we will download that and we'll use that as a video as well. Or Ashley will sometimes do a little time lapse. So anyways, stay tuned for more. And I hope you guys are out having fun and traveling and being safe. And in this scenario, stay away from the trees, stay away from heavy winds. Thanks so much for watching.